vowels, consonants in Marathi and their pronunciation. In this blog, I have used Roman letters as a transliteration to write Marathi sentence into Roman script. I have followed few conventions so that each character in Roman script can be considered as a character in Marathi. So I will go through the convention here as well. This is the symbol in Devanagari, that is script of Marathi. This is the symbol in Roman script which I have used in my blog for transliteration, and we will see its pronunciation. Small a, capital A, small e, small e, capital e. Understand the difference? This e is shorter sound where this e is an elongated sound. E. Small u is u, capital U is oo. Again, same difference. A shorter sound, longer sound. Oo, oo. Small e is ai is I. Small o is o. Small au is au. Au. Am is um. A and capital H is uh. Tilde a is a as in bat. Tilde o is aw as in Oxford, and capital RU is ru. Ru. Few of the consonants and vowels which need special attention are discussed below. For pronunciation of ru, I will be adding another lesson. Now let's see consonants. Small k, k, k. Small k, small h, kh, kh. Small g, g, g. Small gh, gh, gh. Capital G, ng, ng. It is a nasal sound. It will never appear individually. It will always come with some other consonant. We will see it in separate section about nasal sounds. Small c, small h is ch, ch. Or there is another pronunciation for the same symbol in Marathi. It is ch, ch. For both the sounds in Marathi, there is only one symbol. So you will have to listen Marathi words carefully to understand which sound is used in which word. Capital C, small h is ch, ch. Small j is j. There is another sound z, j or z. Both sounds are indicated by same symbol in Marathi. Small j, small h, j, z. Again, two sounds j, z, j, z. Small ny is n, n. Again, it is a nasal sound, never appear individually. It will be discussed separately. Capital T, t, t. Capital T, small h, th, th. Capital D, d, d. Capital D, small h, dh, dh. Capital N, n, n. Though it is a nasal sound, it can appear individually in Marathi words. N. Small t, t, t. Small th, th, th. Small d, d, small d small h, ध, ध, small n, न, small p, 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 small p small h, ph, ph, small b, 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 small bh, 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 small m, 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 small y, 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 small r, 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 small l, 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 small v, w, w, small h, small sh, 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 capital S, small h, sh, sh. So understand difference in these two sounds. They are closely related. Sh, 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 sh. Small s, s, small h, h, h. Capital L, 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 l. K, capital S, small h, ksha, ksha. You can consider it as a combined sound of K, which is K, and capital S, small h, which is sh. Together it becomes ksha, ksha. D and Y, dnya, dnya. Thank you.